The Missouri National Guard recently hosted members of the Panamanian Public Forces for a week-long subject matter expert exchange at the Ike Skelton Training Center in Jefferson City, Missouri. The visit was part of the National Guard State Partnership Program, which officially sponsored a partnership between the Show Me States and Panama in 1996.
We've been in Panama doing various road building, well digging projects since 1985.
Lieutenant Colonel Rebecca Segovia says the Guard routinely works with civilian agencies. She adds this is suited to helping Panamanian agencies improve interagency communications and networking.
They've had a lot of great strides in that area in the last year and a half, and it's been noted, and they're very proud of themselves too.
Panama partner First Lieutenant David Vasquez could not stress enough how important it is for two forces to come together and work hand in hand as one team.
It is very important. The coordination and partnership of working together with Panama and Missouri is very strong. I like it very much.
Reporting for the 70th Mobile Public Affairs Detachment, I'm Army Sergeant Mark Owen.